Web pages can now be turned into videos too. Take a look at this HTML video I made on Enter. How is this done? I found this skill online. It can extract content from scripts or web pages and turn it into a video. The installation is super easy. I just need to copy this piece of code into Enter and it will install the skill automatically. Look, it's installed in just a second, then save the skill. You can go back to the skills section to find it. Let me try it out. Next, I'll let it crawl Charles Leclerc's official website and generate an introductory video about him.